Hello, Sir Rafael. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin sir yung unit na order nyo. The WE Glock 17 for Series T5 with the upgrade of our special fixed outer barrel and a special housing buffer modification. Okay, as you can see there. There's a rubber on the housing. Okay. So, that's it. Okay. So, ayan, sir. Fixed outer barrel. So, yung fixed outer barrel natin, we actually have two versions. So, we have this one and this one. Okay. So, we have... So, this one, yung kinabit natin, this one is longer. Okay. Ayan. So, mas mahaba siya konti. Sinadya ko kasi siya gawing mas mahaba for the purpose of upgrades in the future. Kasi, as you can see, yung inner barrel niya, yun, maiksi lang. Oh, di ba yung brass? Yun. So, if ever in the future, mag-upgrade kayo ng inner barrel, pwede nyo yung sagad hanggang dito. So, tendency, magiging mas mahaba siya. Okay, so, yun yung dahilan kung bakit hinabaan ko yung outer barrel. Okay, so, yan. Alright, so ito yung magazine. Okay, so test fire natin. Bigyan ko na siya ng 8 rounds. 8 rounds lang, testing lang naman. Actually, na-testing ko na siya kanina nung kinabit ko yung fixed outer barrel to check the accuracy. So, ngayon, parang i-final test na lang na may video. Okay, so, pero hindi nyo makikita yung ano. Pwede nyo check sa page. No, yung kung gusto niyo makita or pwede siguro send sa inyo yung picture ng accuracy. Yan. Para lang siguro, para lang matuwa kayo. And then, send ko pala kay Sir Axel yung hits natin. Kasi actually, tatargeting ko ngayon, it's a brand new box. Kasi napuno na yung box natin eh. So, tatargeting ko yung brand new box. Yung isang butas dito sa inyo yun. Yung unang tatargeting natin. Okay, so ito. Test natin muna yung FPS test. No? Yung power muna. Just to give you an idea lang. Okay, so yeah. Always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at a safe direction. Okay? Solid. Kasi mas mabilis na yung cycle ng slide. Mas mabilis na siya. Kaya mas solid siya. Mas snappy na siya, actually. So yun, first FPS natin, first shot is 361.2. Second shot is 354.5, 347.7, and 342.4. Okay? So ngayon, balilin natin yung target box. Okay? So at a distance of 2.3 to 2.5 meters, konti na naman yun. No? So, na 7.5 to 8 feet with the diameter of 2 inches, barilin natin yung nasa gitna. And our BB is only 0.20 grams. Okay, so mas pangit kasi ang accuracy pag 0.20 yung ginagamit mo. Lalo na kung medyo malakas yung FPS na unit. And that is why kailangan talaga kapag magpiplinking ka or typical, lalo na pag medyo may distance na, mas maganda is mas mabigat yung BB like 0.25, 0.28, or 0.30. Parang ganun. Okay? So, ayan sir, nag-open na yung slide kasi wala nang bala yung magazine. Okay? So, pull back the slide, hammer down. Okay? So, ayan sir, okay na tong unit nyo. So, ipapako na siya and then dadalhin ko na siya sa courier tomorrow para madala na siya sa inyo. Okay? Tapos, send ko na lang sa inyo kay Sir Axel yung picture na tong yung hits nung una. Okay? Actually, ano siya? It's inside. Yung unang hits kasi actually pinakagitna. Tapos, medyo napunta ng konti sa left. Tapos, isa napunta konti sa right. Tapos, isa napunta konti sa baba. So, pasok sila lahat dun sa 2-inch diameter na target. Okay, yun nga lang, hindi siya isang butas lang. Okay? So, yun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.